Hey everybody, this is Crazy Dave, and we are out in Belba. Hey everybody, Crazy Dave here. We are in a little town in Tennessee called Bell Buckle. Don't ask me. I've not seen any buckles. I hadn't seen any bells, but they call it Bell Buckle. What we're doing here, there are 3 Jack Trail GeoTour caches in this little bitty town, and we're going to grab them today. So come on along. This should be fun. What size are we looking for anyway?
How do you look at that?
It should.
Micro.
Oh, well that'll help some because that wasn't the size I was looking for.
Alright, is there a hint?
In the middle of a multi-trunked tree.
Okay, that narrows it down considerably.
Wow.
That must be the one. I see the cat.
Ow!
Well, guys, don't get rough. Just.
It wasn't rough. He just yelled in my ear.
Aww. Everyone say a collective. Dave yelled in Shelby's ear, so everybody say a collective. Aww. We are at our second stop, and it says I'm 30 feet away. Which one of these do you think it is? Which one's the bigger one? Show me. Find it. Let's find it. Okay, it's not what I expected it to be, but I have found it.
Almost perfectly.
Alright, somebody want to tell me how to get this open with one hand? Ah, there we go. Alright, well we got this one handled, and one more in Bell Buckle, and then we'll be heading home to Chattanooga. My pin! How did he... Let's go. Okay, we are at our 3rd stop on the Jack Trail GeoTour here in Bell Buckle, Tennessee. We have one more to get, and let's go get it. It's 128 feet right away. Okay everybody, that is it for this video. We have wrapped up the GeoTour here in Bell Buckle, Tennessee. Come on back next time and see what else Crazy Dave's crew gets into. In the meantime, make sure you click that subscribe button that is there. And make sure that you click that thumbs up button if you like this video. Next time on Crazy Dave's Crew.